Hi guys, this is Varisha, a data analyst at Syntax Technologies, and in this video I'm going to provide you with an overview of how to create visualizations in Microsoft Power BI. Now this is an exciting part of Power BI where we can add fancy visuals, display our data in interesting and exciting ways for the audience to view. I'm in my report view, and as you can see, here is my visualization panel on the right, with all these different visualizations that I can choose from. There are actually a few different ways to start creating your visuals, the first being the visual first approach, which I will explain in this video. In the visual first approach, you select your preferred visual first. Let's say here we want a clean looking clustered column chart, which is actually in the first row and the fourth column. I will click on that icon and simply increase the size of the visual for a clearer view. Now, while that visual is still highlighted, I can start to add all the required fields into it from my imported table on the right side under the fields list. This is the orders table that I imported from a SQL Server database called Superstore. Within this orders table, I can select the field that I want to include in my visual in two ways. Let's say I want to bring in profit. I can select the field by checking the small box next to the required field. The second way is that I can simply click on the required field, profit in this case, and then hold and drag it onto my visual itself. For instance, if I want to show my profit by region in this visual, the next required field in the scenario would be the region field. I can simply select it and drag and drop it onto my visual itself. And now, as you can see, I have this clustered column chart visual which shows me the profit by region. Note that you can also view the selected fields under the visualization panel on the right. At any point, however, you can change the visual type simply by clicking on any of the icons in the visualization panel. So I can create a stacked bar chart using the same data. I can create a pie chart using the same underlying data. However, for this basic visualization, I want to go back to a clustered column chart. Next, we'll talk about how Power BI allows you to experiment with formatting your visuals inside the report. Let's start with formatting our clustered column chart. First, I will have to make sure that I select the visual by clicking onto it. Then I will click on the format icon under the visualizations panel that looks like a roller paintbrush. Here, if I click onto the format icon, I can see all these different categories of formatting options. I can expand these categories to view all my formatting options, but for now, let's say I want to modify the title, give it a different background and font color, and change its alignment. For that, I can simply scroll down until I see the title section, expand it, and then I can change the alignment, increase the text size for my title, change the background color to one I like, change the font color, and then I have formatted my title in a way that I want. Moreover, let's say I want to apply a border to my visual. For that, I will simply scroll down until I see the border section, simply toggle the switch from off to on, and this will assign a border to my visual. Now, as you can see, there is a wide variety of formatting options available for you to explore. And in just a few minutes, you not only created a visual, but also formatted it. Thank you guys for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos very soon.